Nature Photography Day. Have you ever enjoyed a photo of a flower? Or a close-up of a bee landing on the entrance to its hive? Have you marveled at the grace of a gazelle leaping through the savannah, or the lumbering majesty of a rare elephant as it feeds from the highest trees or draws water from a watering hole? If so, you know what it is to marvel at the natural world around us. Nature Photography Day celebrates those amazing souls who are able to capture nature's beauty in the eye of a camera. History of Nature Photography Day. The North American Nature Photography Association, NAMPA, was formed in 1994 by well over 100 nature photography enthusiasts. The members of this organization were deeply invested in the future of this art form, and ensuring that those who practice it are taking proper steps to protect the subject of their photography through environmental conservation and awareness. Through their efforts, they ensure that access to public land continues to exist for nature photographers. NAMPA established Nature Photography Day to help bring awareness to the works they produce and the fragility of the subjects of their work. The first step in truly appreciating the beauty that is nature photography is getting out into the world with your camera and finding beautiful and rare subjects to photograph. To encourage amateur photographers to participate, there is even a competition held with prizes ranging from an amazing new camera, NAMPA membership, and workshops with the leading experts in nature photography. There are limitless possibilities in nature photography, ranging from standard photography to macro photography to capture all the smallest details of the natural world we live in. How to celebrate Nature Photography Day? Obviously, the first step to celebrating Photography Day is getting out into the world with your camera. You can take pictures of nature without being out in it, and who doesn't need a walk every now and then? Visit your local park and discover the beauty held in such a natural setting, or take a look in your garden for the little hidden world of insects and flowers. Nature can be found everywhere, even in the cracks in the sidewalks. Nature photography is a beautiful art that really brings us closer to the world we live in, and the view through the camera's lens helps us capture it every day. So use Nature Photography Day as your excuse to get out into the world and take a closer look at it than you have before, and then capture it for the memories. How to observe. Use your dedicated camera and or the camera on your phone to take some photos of nature. Use #NaturePhotography Day in social media.